Sarap nung olive oil. Kanina. Sarap.
Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing deli sandwiches. I went to the grocery and then nagdala ko ng mga pasalubong para kay Lucy, and Juliana. So sabi ko, when I get back to Ormoc, I'll prepare some deli sandwiches. So we'll start by preparing our ingredients. We have sliced ham, we have bacon ham, we have salami, we have coppa. Yan. At sabi ni Juliana, gawa mo naman ng Dad, ng dressing. So gawa tayo ng aioli dressing. So what we'll do is prepare this, open it lang. Okay. And then once ma-prepare mo na to, assembly line na to. Ganun lang siya. So open it there and put it on the side. Same with the rest of the ingredients, ganun din. And then you can serve this with guests, when you have friends at home. Okay, meron kang maliit na party. Yun lang, put it here, assemble it like this, and then let your friends assemble the sandwiches. It's so easy to make. Okay. Yan. Okay. Yan na. Ganun lang. So once prepared na siya, toast na natin yung bread natin. And then we're ready to go. Gusto ni Juliana may aioli. So gawa tayo ng egg. There. Gawa tayo ng mayonnaise natin. Simple mayonnaise lang with garlic. So, not too much garlic. Para hindi masyadong overpowering. Kasi some people, they don't like naman na malakas masyado yung dating ng garlic. Hindi ko lang ng konting salt para pan-taste na rin natin dun sa aioli natin. And then durugin ko lang siya na ganito. So with the salt, mas mabilis mo madudurog yun, mas mabilis mo madudurog yung garlic. Okay. Okay, ganun lang. Then ito na gamitin natin. We put it here. Enough. Okay. And then lagyan natin yung oil. We're using Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Yan, para sa aioli natin. Slowly yung paglagay mo na ng oil. And if you just keep on mixing it, mamaya magiging mayonnaise na siya. Yan. So yung egg niya, yung yolk, yun yung pinaka-emulsifier niya, yun yung pinaka-binder niya, yun yung nakakabuo ng mayonnaise. But I don't want it to be very thick, so I want it in liquid state. Ito yung lalagyan natin sa bread natin. Okay. Lalagay ko na yung pepper dito para mamaya kasama na siya doon, infused na siya. Okay, we'll put in lots of pepper. Okay, good. Okay. That's it. Okay. Let's try it. Pwede pang salt. Okay, pwede na. Once everything's set, handa natin yung bread natin. Okay. Slice the bread. And then, toast natin ng konti. Yeah. Ganun lang siya. That's it. One more. Ang ganda itong bread to, sourdough. So medyo medyo makunat yung makunat yung bread. Ang ganda. Okay. Toss it here. Give it a few minutes. Good. Good. Okay. Nice. Nice toast. Good. Beautiful. So pag nag-brown na yung ibabaw ng isa, okay na to. One minute. 1 minute ulit, lahat 1 minute. Sige na. Okay. Good. Good. From here on, mabilis na to kasi assembly na lang tayo eh. Assembly line. So we're making 3 sandwiches. Yung ginawa natin dito, instead of putting mayonnaise, we're putting extra virgin oil. Ginawa natin aioli siya, no? Garlic and pepper. You really put in lots and lots of this. If you want some more, you can put some more. Hayaan mo siya mag-soak yan, no? Ina-absorb lang ng bread yung olive oil niya. Okay? Good. Nice. Ito pa lang, pwede na eh. Okay na to? Okay na to? Ha? And then we'll put in some arugula. Ito arugula, I also got this dun sa SNR din. Same area. Put in lots of it. Both sides. We'll overstuff it. Sarap kaya ng sandwich na, no? Sarap ng sandwich na maraming laman. No, Chris, no? Parang cheeseburger natin, no? Nga? Overstuff? Sabi niya, grabe naman kayo mag-cheeseburger. Sobra-sobra. Ganun talaga. Masarap pag overstuff. Parang pagmamahal lang yan. Sobrahan mo na. Punuin mo na ng pagmamahal. Ah, Chris? Okay. And then, here comes our deli. Ito na. Our bacon ham. Put it in. Ang sandwich parang pag-ibig. Di ba? Ang punong-puno. Punong-puno ng pagmamahal. And then we'll put in some coppa ham. There. Askan lami ay. Huh? Good. There. Okay. Last. Salami. Nice. Sarap to. Ano lang siya. Okay. And then, put this all on the side. Last. Alfalfa sprouts. Medyo sarap-sarap to sa ano. Parang may veggies, oh. Parang veggie salad. Finishing. Konting aioli here. Go. More. Isa. Nice. Perfect. Okay. Uy. Okay. There you go. So here's our overstuffed deli sandwich. Subukan natin. Okay, let's enjoy this, no? Siyempre masarap to pag pag kasama yung mga friends mo. Tawagin natin si Alan Kim at saka si Gino. Gino, halika dito. Alan, ito si Alan. He's a Filipino-Chinese guy who loves to cook, no? And then si Gino owns a Ormoc Herbs restaurant dito sa Ormoc. Yung mga masarap na pagkain nandun sa restaurant niya. So, halika, subukan naman natin to.
Sarap na yung
Mukhang okay din. Mukhang okay.
ganda ng stuffing.
Yan. So, that's it. Looks good. One for you.
Thank you.
One for you.
Thank you. Pagmamahal na walang katulad.
Kana. Kana. Okay. Sige, let's try it. Cheers. Yan. Game.
Sarap nung olive oil. Ano nga? Sarap.
Savory, salty, all together.
Yeah.
Very good.
Good, no?
Tama.
Tapos the greens, okay yung greens sa'yo?
Yung greens, yeah. Tapos yung bread. Yeah,
Ito,
yung the bread.
local lang ng bread na to. Dito lang to sa Ormoc. Hindi lang to. Sourdough siya. Kasi asa na ito napalit to? KitchenAid. Yeah. Lami. Really good.
Very good.
This one, kahit ito nga lang pwede na ito pang-dinner ninyo. Teka.
Very good. Very good.
Sarap.
So you can see, it's easy to prepare ang deli sandwich. So all you have to do is just put all your ingredients in front of you, kunin nyo lahat sa grocery, and then serve it with your friends. Have a good time, enjoy your meal. So thank you for joining me right here in Goma at Home. I'll see you again next time. Please like, share, and subscribe, and press on the notification bell. Thank you so much. Leave a comment. Mag-comment kayo, and then I will answer you. I'll see you again right here in Goma at Home. Bye, guys.
Thank you, Kong.
Sure. Okay yun, no?
Sarap.
Yung pinaka-aioli niya.
Yung sa lubong pa.
Doon siya overpowering.
Tawa na ka ng... Yung sa soggy. Crispy yapon ng bread.
Crispy yapon. Ang bread, crispy.
Importante i-toast mo
The
siya.
vegetables.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Sunod si Alan naman magluto kaunta. Chinese cuisine.
Kung pao chicken.
Oh. Ang pinakalami na si Alan, pinakalami maghimuog. Kalang pilit na bugas ba? Biko.
Biko.
Biko. The best yan. Huh?
Gawa tayo next time.
Mag-collab ta.
Oh.
Let's do a collab, ha?
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll see you. Bye.
Bye.